Want to trade Solana on the go, but unsure if Trust Wallet is your golden ticket? Let's cut straight to the chase. You can't directly swap Solana within the core Trust Wallet app itself. The Discover section, which often houses dApps and direct trading functionalities, doesn't offer a native Solana trading option. So, what are your alternatives? You need to hold Solana SPL tokens to use Solana in Trust Wallet. You can do this by using a bridge like Wormhole to transfer SOL from other exchanges, or directly depositing SPL tokens. One popular method is using a decentralized exchange, or DEX, such as Raydium. Raydium operates on the Solana blockchain. Access Raydium through Trust Wallet's built-in browser by typing Raydium into the address bar. Connect your Trust Wallet to Raydium. Remember to only connect to reputable sites to avoid scams. You can then swap other tokens for Solana directly on Raydium. After the trade, the Solana tokens will appear in your Trust Wallet. So, while direct swaps aren't available, Trust Wallet, combined with Solana DEXs, makes trading accessible. That's how you do it. Now you are ready to start trading.